Vaseline is a petroleum product with a wide range of uses. But first, a quick history lesson about the invention of this amazing product. Robert Chesebrough, a chemist from New York, traveled to the oil fields of Titusville, Pennsylvania, in the United States in 1859 in order to investigate what new materials might be derived from petroleum. Before starting his company in 1870, he worked on perfecting the Vaseline petroleum jelly composition over the course of the following 10 years. Vaseline immediately gained a reputation for its capacity to shield and repair dry, damaged skin, and over the course of the following century, it established itself as a skincare item used in homes all over the world. Make sure to watch until the end so you will not miss any of the life hacks on the list. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to get updates on new videos. Let's get on with Vaseline hacks you should know. Number 1. Moisturizer. The first and most useful life hack is to apply Vaseline on the skin as a moisturizer. Vaseline is a great moisturizer for dry skin. It has a unique jelly texture that creates a barrier on the skin to lock in moisture, which can help to prevent water loss and keep skin hydrated. For optimal protection against dry skin, you should target dry skin areas, including elbows, knees, heels, and hands, and it's especially useful for people with eczema or psoriasis. Its thick and oily texture can help to soothe and heal dry, irritated skin. Not only is it great at retaining moisture on the skin, Vaseline is also used for skin treatments. Number 2. Lip balm. Instead of purchasing tiny lip balm containers that run out way too quickly, why not get a Vaseline tub to use as lip balm? Vaseline is a great lip balm for dry and chapped lips. Its jelly texture creates a protective barrier on the lips to lock in moisture, preventing water loss and keeping the lips hydrated. It's also non-irritating, making it an excellent option for people with sensitive lips. Say goodbye to ashy lips with this Vaseline life hack. Number 3. Makeup remover. Yes, Vaseline can be used as a gentle makeup remover, especially for waterproof mascara. Petroleum jelly can help to break down and remove stubborn makeup while also moisturizing the skin. It's a great alternative to harsh makeup removers that can dry out the skin. Vaseline also has some skin healing benefits that it is absent in makeup removers. Number 4. Hair tamer. Vaseline is an all-rounder that can also be used as hair cream and for hair treatment. A small amount of Vaseline can be used to tame flyaways and frizzy hair. When applied to dry hair, it helps to smooth out frizzy or flyaway hair, leaving it looking shiny and smooth. It can also be used as a styling aid to control frizz and add shine to hair. Number 5. Cuticle cream. Applying a small amount of Vaseline to your cuticles can help to moisturize and protect them. Cuticles can become dry and brittle, which can lead to cracking and bleeding. Vaseline can help to moisturize and protect the cuticles, keeping them healthy and preventing hangnails. You will not need to bite at your fingers again since there will be no cuticles to gnaw at. Number 7. Sunburn relief. Vaseline can be used to soothe sunburned skin by providing a protective barrier and locking in moisture. It is capable of soothing sunburned skin and preventing peeling. It can also be used to provide relief from other types of burns, such as minor kitchen burns. Number 7. Shoe protector. Applying a small amount of Vaseline to the toes of your shoes can prevent blisters and chafe. Vaseline can create a barrier between the skin and the shoe, preventing friction and irritation. This can be especially helpful for people who are breaking into new shoes or for those who are prone to blisters. That's all, folks. That is our list of the 7 Vaseline life hacks that you should know. Please tell us in the comments if you know of any other life hacks or have some concerns about the ones listed here. Thanks for watching.